In this class we will see how to create, open and save projects in AutoCAD. Let's start by talking about the different ways to create a new file in the program. A quick way to create a new file is through this option, present in the Home tab, displayed every time we open the program. Clicking on it, the default file used, or template, is specified in the program settings. To choose a different default file for creating the new file, we click this arrow. Below we will look at how to create custom default files. We can also create a new file through the Application button, the Quick Access bar and the plus sign next to the Open File tab. When creating a new file through the Quick Access bar or the Application button, a box opens, where we select a default file to build the project. When you click the plus sign, a new file is created based on the default file that was specified in the program settings. After working on the project, we must save the file for further editing or continuation of the work, and not to lose the data. This is done by clicking on the Quick Access bar in this command, or by going to the Application button and clicking this option. In both cases, a box opens, where we define the name of the file, the location where it will be saved, and click Save. Now, whenever we make changes to the project, we should click Save to save the changes without entering a new name for the file. However, when we have an existing project and we want to save a copy with a different name, we should click on Save As option access through the Quick Access bar in the Application button. Here also opens a box, where we define the name of the file, the location to save and click on Save. Finally, to open an existing file, we access the Open command in the Quick Access bar or the Application button. A box is shown, where we choose the project to be opened and click on Open. Another way to open projects is through the list shown in the Home tab, or through the same tab by clicking on this option. And so we conclude this lesson, where we learn how to create, save and open files in AutoCAD.